Welcome to day 20 of Vim Tip of the Day. Today, I'm going to talk about bookmarks. So Vim enables you to place bookmarks, 26 of them, A to Z. So here's how I'll demonstrate. So let's say I go to line 10 and I hit M for marking, and bookmark is A. Now I'll go to 20 and I'll book M and B to mark the B bookmark. Then I'll go to line 30, M, C, then 40, M, D. So I've created 4 bookmarks, and you can see the keystroke that I use on the top here. If I want to look at all the bookmarks I've created, I'll do escape : marks. That shows me that I have created 4 bookmarks, A, B, C, D, and I won't talk about the special ones quite yet. So given the bookmarks I have, if I want to jump to bookmark B, I would do single quote and B. That would jump to line 20, which is the second bookmark. Single quote C will jump to line 30, for example, and then single quote D will go to line 40. This is a good way for you to basically mark where you were and jump back to where you were. So I often like to use MA to just mark where I am. So I did it in line 3. I'll go to the end, look at what's at the end of the file. I want to jump back. I'll just use single quote A. This is a great way to remember where you started from and go back to any place that you wanted to go back to quickly. And you can create 26 of these bookmarks. Thanks for watching.